Hello, dear friends. Today I'll show you how to build a private chat system and task manager for your website. It runs entirely on WordPress. No outside service or third-party server involved. It stays fully self-contained, working only for your own site. Let's go step by step. This is a special, dedicated chat and task management system. In this video, I'll explain the benefits it offers. I'll also walk you through how to install it. Then I'll show you how to actually use it day to day. It has 3 key features worth knowing. First, you get different services all in one place. That means messaging and task management live together, so you're not switching between separate apps. In your own WordPress site, your data gets stored right on your own hosting. You're not connected to any outside servers. That keeps everything completely secure. It's also very low cost. Think about an 8-person team using tools like Slack, Trello, and so on. You'd typically pay around $40 a month for that. That adds up to over $1,000 a year. But with just one plugin here, you get the same thing for under $200. You can have a much more complete system. One where your data stays secure permanently, hosted right on your own server. Nobody else holds onto it for you. No outside company storing it on their servers. That means you control your own data forever, entirely on your own terms. Inside that system, you can keep all your files organized in one place. You can have your meetings, your chats, and your tasks all together. You can keep people's profiles, their work history, and everything else you need all gathered in one place. Lumo Team Messenger is a very complete plugin. It comes with a full messenger built right in. You can send messages, create groups, and set up channels. You can also send files and voice messages easily. On top of that, it supports phone calls and video calls. Everything you need for team communication is included here. You can send GIFs and emojis too, right inside your messages. This plugin also gives you a full task management system, all built into one place. It includes multiple boards, several different types of cards, and the ability to link related cards together so you can see how they connect. It even supports recurring cards, so tasks that repeat stay organized without extra work from you. This task management system works whether you're working alone or coordinating with a whole group. That means teammates can communicate with each other easily right through email, without ever needing to leave the platform. It's managed there too, with tracking included. Now, let's open our browser and find the Lumo Team Messenger plugin. Let's install it together and take a look at what it looks like once it's up and running. Here you can see an overview of Team Messenger. For example, here's a group along with all of its members listed. You can see the shared files here, and here's how you can use them. You can also send messages to friends directly. Notice how everything stays organized in one simple screen. This makes it easy to keep track of your team. Connecting is quick and easy once everything is set up. On the left menu, you'll find the Task Management section. It has 2 menus inside it. One is for settings, and the other is for monitoring. Inside, you can create different tasks, then arrange them as cards on the board. You can move these cards around freely. Organize them however works best for you. You can even leave notes on each card. This lets you enter important information. You can also add comments, and do other things like that. But before any of this becomes available to you, you first need to install the plugin. Setting it up is really easy, so let me walk you through it. First, I go to the Plugins section and click Add Plugin. From there, you can get this plugin quickly and get started right away. Just head over to lumowp.com and check out this plugins page for yourself. There, everything it offers is laid out clearly, so you know exactly what you're getting. You'll see the version number, the Chang, and all the other details, all on that one single page, and you get access to everything there for very little cost. It really is that simple to find and set up. You can get the plugin for just one site, or for several sites at once, whichever way suits you best. The cost stays very low either way, and it's billed once a year, so you won't need to think about it again soon. Don't worry, every feature is open to you no matter what plan you choose. The price doesn't change based on features, only on how many sites you're covering. You can find and get the plugin at lumowp.com to activate the whole system. Once you've got that sorted, we're ready to move forward. Now let's go ahead and install it. Now I'll head over to the Add Plugin section. From there, I click Choose File to browse my computer. I select the file I already downloaded, then click the Install button to finish. Okay, the plugin is installed now. Next, I click this Activate button. Once activation finishes, a new option appears here. It's called Messenger, right below the other settings. You'll notice it's easy to find. In the Messenger section, I've got a few options here. Messenger itself, task, settings, and monitoring. Now, if I click on Messenger here, it first asks me for a license. So I go ahead and enter my license, and once we activate it, it asks us for the database next. The database is really important for Messenger, so this step matters. I click Go to Setup to continue. Here it asks where you want the database to be stored, on your computer or somewhere else. This is the location it will use going forward, so pick it carefully. Now, let's look at your database options. You can use your current site's database or connect to an external one. External requires host, username, and password details. Once entered, the whole app connects there instead. For now, this current database works fine. Its tables stay separate from everything else. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Now watch what happens when I click Install. The system gets set up right away without any extra steps. Messenger opens right up, and now we can message our friends directly from here. Now look, here's another thing we can do on this screen. In the settings section, we've got a few options to set up. Each one controls something a little different. Let's take a quick look at each one before moving on. We can change the color scheme right here on this screen. Pick shades that match your company's own colors. Then type in your team name, like lumowp.com in this example. Go ahead and use your own team name instead of that one. If you'd like, you can also add your logo here. Once that's done, the layout updates automatically to match your branding. Take a quick look at what's showing on screen now. Now it says who has access to the team messenger. That means it controls who is allowed to message each other inside the team. For testing purposes, I've set up a few regular users here. Normally, regular users don't need this kind of messaging access at all. But once I turn this setting on, watch what happens in the Messenger section. If I search for a name here, say one of my coworkers, the full list comes up right away, and I can message one of them directly, right here on this screen, without leaving this page. Look, this way, you can easily send a message. You don't have to leave the task manager to do it. It all happens right there, in the same window. You have default cards ready to go, but you can customize them, or build your own boards from scratch. I'll click up top here to start that process. I'll create a new board and call it UI Design. From there, I can change who's part of this board. That way, everyone on the project can communicate directly here. No need to switch tools. Once the board's created, I can add a task to it. I'll do that right here, just below the board name. You'll see the new task appear right away, ready to work with. Take a quick look at the screen now. I can take notes right here, so let's do it this way. Add a comment to explain this step. Save the file, and that creates the task automatically. Once it's created, set a date for it. This becomes the due date, so everyone knows the deadline. You can also assign it to a team member. That way they know it's their responsibility. Take a quick look at what's on screen now. And here you can pick a color for its label. This lets you tell your labels apart at a glance. For example, you can add a design label here. Once you're happy with the color you've chosen, click Save. Okay, our first card is saved here. Now, this Reopen button you see here serves a specific purpose. Sometimes a task runs late, even after you've already marked it done. In that case, you can simply reopen it. It's just a nudge, a small reminder. It helps make sure you follow up, and it keeps the project moving forward. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. Now let's look at how you can organize these into different cards. In Messenger, there are settings that let you create a group for your contacts. Right here at the top, you will see an option to create one. I'm going to name it Design Group and start adding friends to it. I'll add each person in this section, and now we have a group with several people inside it. Below that, we can also see files listed separately, all organized neatly by document type, so everything stays easy to find. Take a quick look at what is showing on the screen right now. If we click here, we can see all the members in this group. From this screen, we can make them admins or assign them different roles depending on what they need. This messenger system is genuinely powerful, and it can do a lot. There are many more settings tucked in here, but to keep this video short, I'll stop at this point and move on. Now, keep in mind, the messenger doesn't just live in the admin area. It also lets you display this same messenger on the front end of your site. It gives you a link, and anyone with access can click that link and log in directly. They can reach it through a simple front-end page. They never have to log into the admin dashboard at all. From there, they can start chatting with their colleagues right away. You also have connection settings for handling your files. You can connect that to an FTP server. Then you simply move your files over to it. That way, everything stays organized in one single place. The whole setup is really simple to follow. That holds true even if you have not done this before. For convenience, you can also enable Messenger for your sister. She can use it to message her friends whenever she wants. I wish you the best. Goodbye.